Hello guys, welcome to Adama Robotics tutorials for the Bell robot. In this video, we're going to learn about LED.matrix usage, how you can write something on the LED. First of all, to start this program, we have to open our IDE, Adama script. So once the IDE is opened, okay, so we have to go to the Arduino mode first. So let's go to Edit and then come to Arduino mode. Once you're in the Arduino mode, you can see the code menu for raw code on the right side for Arduinos. On the left side you will see the blocks as we have programmed for the Adama script, the block programming. Now before we proceed, we have to connect our bell. Okay, we have to connect our bell and install the drivers. So let's first install the drivers. So press install. So my one is saying installation failure because I've already installed it. You can just do install over there, and then depending on your Windows version, if it's 32 just install this, or if it's 64 just install this. Okay, so just press next and then finish, and it should be installed soon. Now on the board section you have to choose Bell. Then once you choose the Bell robot, then there will be a tick mark on the left side. Okay, so once this is done, let's write up the code for the dot matrix. We want to show something. We want to show hello. Okay, so let's go to robot section first, and then we have to you have to see some of the sections here, right? We have Arduino, we have bell. Okay, so we will focus on the bell. Now my bell is not connected, that's why it's saying disconnected and red marked. So first of all, we have to take this block, Adama script. To program our robot, we always need this Adama script program block. Okay, then we need a forever block because we want to show our code over and over again, and then we have to go to the looks block. Okay, sorry, robots block, not looks block. And then here we have show phase settings, right? So let us take the show phase X and Y characters. Okay, so we need the characters to show something, so we will edit this high to just H. Okay, and then we want to wait 1 second, and then what we will do is we can just replicate this block. Let's just drag it out first and duplicate. Actually we can just connect them together. Okay, we could also do it inside, doesn't matter. So HELLO, we need another block for this, duplicate. Okay, so now let's just change the names over here, and we want to wait 1 second, and then we want to show L for 1 second, and then we want to show another L for 1 second, and at the end we want to show O for 1 second. Now once the program is ready, you already understand, right? So we want to show HELLO forever with a 1 second interval. Now once your code is ready, just press upload to Arduino, and then they will ask you to connect the Arduino to the serial port. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to connect the Arduino quickly. I mean, not the Arduino, the Bell robot. And once you connect it, what's going to happen is it's going to read it. Okay, so let me just do that quickly. You guys can have a look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.